Natural disasters are occurring more frequently and with greater intensity due to unprecedented global climate change. At the same time, fine dust pollution from industrialization continues to threaten our health, making it a major concern both domestically and internationally. But can tightly closed windows truly provide complete protection against powerful storms and heavy rain? Even with air purifiers running all day and night to improve indoor air quality, can sealed windows fully block out the smallest fine dust particles? To find the answers, we conducted a series of performance tests comparing high-end mohair windows with our advanced gasket-sealed windows. To assess airtightness, we placed lit candles of varying heights behind an external window, securely locked the window, and introduced strong wind to observe whether the flames flickered or went out. For the high-end mohair window, the center area remained well sealed, as gasket technology was partially applied. However, in the upper and lower rail sections, where no gasket technology was used, wind easily passed through, extinguishing the flames. In contrast, the 100% gasket-sealed window, designed with our proprietary technology, prevented any wind leakage. The test confirmed that not only the center but also the upper and lower rail sections remained completely sealed. A double-glazed window was fixed onto a rotating circular table. Between the inner and outer panes, we placed an absorbent tissue weighing exactly 100 grams to measure moisture penetration. After securing the window locks, we sprayed high-pressure water from a distance of 1.5 meters, fully exposing the window to intense water pressure, simulating a severe storm. Once the test was completed, we weighed the tissue to determine how effectively the window blocked wind and rain under typhoon conditions. The high-end mohair window allowed significant water penetration, increasing the tissue's weight from 100 grams to 670.5 grams. However, the gasket-sealed window prevented any moisture from seeping in. The test confirmed that it provided complete protection against strong wind and rain. To test for air leakage, we filled a sealed chamber behind the window with fine smoke particles ranging from 30 to 50 micrometers in size. As the pressure inside the chamber increased, we observed whether smoke leaked through the front of the window. For the high-end mohair window, a noticeable amount of smoke escaped through the upper and lower rail sections at a pressure as low as 5 to 10 pascals, which is equivalent to a light breeze. In contrast, the gasket-sealed window remained completely sealed even under extreme conditions. Only a minimal amount of smoke leakage was observed at 2,000 pascals, a pressure greater than that of a super typhoon. This result demonstrated the window's significantly superior airtight performance. Inside a controlled space, we dispersed dust particles smaller than 10 micrometers, the standard size for fine dust. After allowing 15 minutes for the dust to settle, We repeated this process 20 times over a 5-hour period to evaluate whether the fine dust had infiltrated the window's interior. For the high-end mohair window, dust particles passed through and accumulated on the inner glass surface and within the mohair fibers. Every time the window was opened or closed, fine dust was released into the air. In contrast, the gasket-sealed window remained completely free of dust, with no particles detected on the glass or within the gasket. Through a series of tests, including wind resistance, water resistance, smoke leakage, and fine dust infiltration, the gasket-sealed window demonstrated overwhelmingly superior airtight performance. As climate change and air pollution continue to worsen, the need for a safe and comfortable indoor environment has never been greater. With its industry-leading airtight technology, the 100% gasket-sealed window brings us one step closer to a healthier and more comfortable living space, anytime and anywhere.